Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix save data corrupted or game crashes in Rocket League. And this problem is most probably happening to many users, those who even try for Nintendo Switch, right? They're also having this problem and how to fix this up. So I'm not wasting the time because I just wanted to give you how to fix this up. So if you wanted to fix this up, all you have to do is you just have to do this, that you just have to cloud backup data and uninstall the game once again, then go for reinstalling the game, and most probably this can fix the issue up. So even many of the people across the Reddit, I have seen some of the posts, they tried many ways, to fix the issue up, but almost every single thing failed. Even some people submitted an email to the support@rocketleague.com and they didn't hear anything from them so far. So this all about what you have to do is, even after you're trying the same, for some people, they just lost all their, accounts and, they all the levels which they have completed, and they don't know what else to do. So what you have to do is, even for some, after they try to play the game, the level is still there but the career starts are completely gone. So all what you have to do is just have to fix this sync error as well as even the save file error. What you have to do is just have to cloud backup the entire data and just go for reinstalling the game after uninstalling, and at the moment most probably it's worked for many. So this is one of the possible workarounds shared by one of the guy in the Reddit, which we just wanted to give him a very huge thanks for that, and I hope this video is going to help you out. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. This is Shahin signing off from Guitar Tips. See you soon. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.